What's up, guys? Now, this past weekend, NBA All-Star activities took place in Chicago, so you know there had to be some heat dropping, and there was some Off-White drops. Yeezy did this whole Cybertruck Yeezy basketball shoe release, but there was one shoe that was more limited than the rest, and that's this Jordan 1 right here in the Varsity red colorway. And here we have it, guys. Such a beautiful sneaker. I want to thank Jordan Brand for releasing a new colorway that I feel is going to become an instant classic. From the leather quality to the colorway, this is definitely a sneaker that lives up to its hype. As you can see, this is pretty much like, I guess, like a Bred 2.0 reverse Bred colorway. So let's take a look at a couple details that make this shoe a little different than just your regular Jordan 1. One of the cool details on the shoe is on the insole. It's kind of just like a sticker that has just all the details on the shoe, the colorway, the code, year was made, etc. And here I'm bringing you weirdos and ASMR unboxing of the shoe. Don't you just love the crackling of the paper when you unbox a new sneaker? You weirdos. And just imagine how good it smells. Oh yeah, that new factory Jordan 1 smell. There isn't anything about it being numbered. The only place that it's actually numbered is on the dust bags that come inside the box. Those are actually pretty cool. But as far as the shoe, you wouldn't know this shoe was limited. One question I had when I received it was like, am I gonna like this shoe enough for it to justify its resale price of $1,000? Honestly, I want to say yeah. Now, we all love the classic Bred colorway, and there have been dozens of Jordan 1s released in this black and red color combination, but this one, they kept so simple that we can almost give it the OG tag right off the bat. They kept it super limited, but they gave us such a great colorway that it definitely lives up to its hype. But we've seen some of the classic OG Jordan 1 colorways get up there. The Chicago, the Bred, shattered backboards. Those are either above 1,000 or near 1,000. And this being limited to 23,000 pairs in a new colorway that isn't one of those classic OGs, but instead is a little bit of a retouch. I think it does justify its price. I think it's a colorway that everybody's going to want. If you already have a Bred in your collection, I don't think this is like a must cop. But again, if you got the money, I say it's actually justified. As far as the leather quality, everybody wants to compare it. Is this shattered backboard one? I've never held one, but I can assure you that it's nice leather quality. It's a little bit more smooth, stiff. It's leather that you would normally find on like a designer sneaker. It could be the influence of their new partnership with Dior. Very nice leather quality that just needs to be broken into in order to look soft and tumbled. This leather quality is pretty nice. I've held some different Jordan 1s that do not hold up to par. It's pretty good quality leather all around. So again, do it. Alright guys, enough talking. Let's move on to the on-feet portion of it. I'm fucking around, guys. There's no way I'm putting this on, alright? I'm about to box this up, put it on GOAT because it's time to sell. Prices right now are about like $950 to $1,000. Actually, I was able to get this in my natural size of 8.5, and it's also the most expensive size. So I'm going to be flipping this. There's no way I'm putting my foot in this. This is getting boxed up, put on GOAT, listed, because I do think like prices are going to drop down to like $950. My size was like $1,100 over the past few days, but then when All-Star Weekend dropped down to $900. But I do see this rebounding up to at least $1,000 just because of how limited it is. So I have it listed up on GOAT right now for $1,000. I think that's a fair price, and I think it'll probably sell like in the next few days. I don't want to run my luck and push it up too high and have to wait. I'd rather just flip this now, see what else I can get. But yeah, beautiful colorway. If you've got the money, do it. Sadly, I do not. And I gotta let go of this baby. It's pretty cool. Sneakers that doesn't really bless me. I win like one thing a year on sneakers, and I'm pretty lucky. Last year I got the Travis 1 lows. This time I got these Jordans, which I believe might be the most limited of 2020. Buy it, $1,000, 8.5 on GOAT, listed right now. I just wanted to take a look at if it was actually worth buying. Is this colorway that special? And I say yes. Again, just a little different than your classic Bred. And also limited to 23,000 pairs. I've said that a lot, but just think about it. When a lot of people have started wearing this and you want to buy your fresh pair, prices are only going to keep going up and up and up. I know you can get a couple sizes from like 5 to like 700 right now, depending on how big or small your foot is. Thankfully, I copped the most expensive one, so I'm flipping it. But yeah, if you've got the money, I think everything's justified. I think, again, limited colorway, classic colorway, All-Star Weekend 2020, pretty cool to have. I don't see them releasing it or retroing it anytime soon, so go ahead and cop, because we all know all the classic Jordan 1 colorways always skyrocket after a few months. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see me get my hands on and review other limited sneakers, because I kind of want to get my hands on that Yeezy basketball shoe. We'll see if I can work my magic, but I'll be back in a few days.